guys. So, today hasn't gone as planned. Hence the reason I'm hiding away in the alfalfa shed, because it's not as windy, so you'll be able to hear me. I was hoping to give you a video of Polly with her baby. That hasn't gone as planned because Polly doesn't want to give birth just yet. So, we was going to do a garden tour of all the veg that's growing at the minute, the lemons, stuff that's gone well, stuff that's really gone very badly wrong. But the wind has just not helped at all. 1 o'clock this morning, we had smoke bellowing into the house due to the little bit of wood that was left in the bottom of the wood burner. Looked at this week, get up on the roof and have a look down the chimney. So yeah, just a quick little vlog, a quick little update. Hopefully weekend the weather will go back to normal. I won't be wearing big puffer jackets and hiding in alfalfa sheds, and we can have the kids back out and about, and hopefully there'll be baby goats running around. Yeah, absolutely holy. So now it's the sun's just setting, so I'm gonna put the goats away, go in, make some dinner, spend some family time together. I don't get to do that very often. I'm always out and about, I'm always doing something. So time to go in and just find the sofa. So hopefully we'll see you all this weekend, and we'll do a full garden tour. See you soon.